Dear friends, I am Dr. Santosh Desai and today we are going to learn fastest method to find inverse of 2 by 2 and 3 by 3 matrices. So let us consider first for 2 by 2 matrix. The inverse of capital A is equal to first row 4, 3 and second row -7, 1 is. Four options are given and here we have to follow some steps to obtain the A inverse. So first step is find determinant of A and this is the only calculation required to find the A inverse. Second step, obtain the matrix by interchanging diagonal elements and changing signs of off-diagonal elements of given matrix. And last step is multiply matrix obtained in step 2 by 1 upon determinant of A. So by using these three simple steps, one can easily find inverse of 2 by 2 matrix. So first we find determinant of A. So here the determinant of A is equal to 25. Now we apply step 2, that is we have to obtain the matrix by interchanging diagonal elements, that is we have to interchange 4 and 1 and we have to change the signs of off diagonal elements. So by applying this step 2 we get a matrix 1, -3, 7 and -4. And finally, multiply this matrix by 1 upon determinant of A and therefore A inverse is equal to 1 upon 25 into first row 1 -3 and second row is 7, 4. And therefore this is required A inverse and therefore the correct option is D. Now we consider again shortest method or fastest method to find the inverse of 3 by 3 matrix. So the inverse of matrix first row 2, 3, 4, second row 4, 3, 1 and third row 1, 2, 4 each. Again here four options are given and again here we have to follow some steps. So first here we check whether the inverse of the matrix exists or not. That is we have to check the given matrix is non-singular or singular. So for this purpose we find the determinant of A. So determinant of A is equal to 2 into 12 minus 2 minus 3 into 16 minus 1 plus 4 into 8 minus 3. So simplifying this, we will get 2 into bracket 10 minus 3 into bracket 15 plus 4 into 5. And simplifying, you will get minus 5. So as determinant of A is not equal to 0, A inverse exists. And now consider the method to find the A inverse. So first, transpose original matrix. So that is we have to take the transpose of given matrix. So therefore we obtain the new matrix as 2, 4, 1. Second row is 3, 3, 2. Third row is 4, 1 and 4. So this is your new matrix. Now the second step is copy first two columns on the right, that is after third column. So that means we have to copy first column after the third one. So we will get 2, 3 and 4. Also we have to copy the second column. So we will get 4, 3 and 1. Then copy first two rows at the below, that is after the third row. So we get after copying the first row we will get and then we copy the second row. So we will get this new matrix. Then now cancel the first row and first column. So we cancel first row and first column. And then this is the important one. In the spaces between 2 by 2 blocks of entries, write the 2 by 2 determinant and circle it. So let us consider the first 2 by 2 block. Treat it as a determinant, simplify it, write the value and circle it. So that is we have to take the multiplication of 3 and 4, that is 12, and minus 1 into 2, that is 2. So 12 minus 2, that is equal to 20. Similarly 1 into 1, that is 1, 4 into 4, that is 16, 1 minus 16, so that is equal to minus 15. Then 4 into 2, that is 8, minus 3 into 1, 3. So 8 minus 3, that is 5. Similarly, for the next 2 by 2 blocks, again we consider 2 into 4 into 4 into 3. So we'll get 8 minus 12, that is equal to minus 4. Then 4 into 2, 8. 8 minus 4, that is equal to 4. 1 into 3, that is 3, minus 2 into 2. So we'll get 3 minus 4, that is minus 1. And similarly for the last two columns, 3 into 1, that is 3, minus 12, that is equal to minus 9, and 4 into 4, that is 16, minus 2, that is equal to 14, and finally 2 into 3, that is 6, 6 minus 12, that is equal to minus 16. And once you form this, then take these numbers in a matrix and multiply it by A inverse. So let us consider this circled number as a matrix and multiply this matrix by 1 upon determinant of A. And we know what determinant of A is minus 5. So therefore A inverse is equal to 1 upon minus 5, and first row is 10 minus 4 minus 9. Second row is minus 15, 4, 14, and third row is 5, minus 1 and 6. So this is the required A inverse. So for more shortcuts, please subscribe my YouTube channel Desai's Gate Engineering Mathematics. Thanks for watching. Bye.